Hi Virgo, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your weekly You and Yours reading. You and Yours is basically you and the person who is affecting your energy, someone who's on your mind, or somebody you're dealing with at the moment where you need some clarification. These are not exactly love readings, though a love interest could show up as well, so who knows. Let's see. And also Virgo, these are general readings. So each and every reading is not going to be resonating with each and every Virgo out there. So use your discernment there. Take what works for you. Just leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them a message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Virgo, like I said, 2 sets of cards, one for you and one for the person that you're dealing with. I will be coming out with love readings also, Virgo. So keep a lookout for them. Those will be specifically for your love life. So let's see. And Virgo, yes, I have a little announcement. I have a gift for all of you. I've just finished my first successful month of this channel, and all the love and positive energy you people have sent me. I want to send you a 3-card free reading to all those who have a question. Just send me a mail on omkaratarot@gmail.com and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Just make sure, Virgo, this card has been popping out thrice, while I was doing the pre-shuffle. So just make sure the mail reaches me before the 15th of this month. And of course, you have to be a subscriber. So if you are, great. If you aren't, just click that button and you're done. Okay, so side A, this could be you, Virgo, or the other side could be you. So we have this King of Cups in reverse, the Fool, the High Priestess, the Empress in reverse, 5 of Cups, and the Death card in reverse. Person 2, we have the 7 of Swords in reverse, Queen of Swords, the Page of Swords, 9 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles, and the 4 of Cups. And for mutual energy, I have the Chariot, 2 of Swords, and the 5 of Swords in reverse. And bottom of the deck, I also have the 8 of Cups, which is a card of walking away. So let's see, Virgo, what we have here for you. What are you dealing with? What I see from your cards, Virgo, assuming this side is you, I see there is someone in your life who is not very trustworthy. Okay, you feel this person promises more than he delivers, and you, I think, are looking out to see what else is out there. Maybe you want to move away. You want to have a fresh start, fresh beginning somewhere else. You are trying very hard to think of all the possibilities. You really are. It's not a happy situation to be in. Okay, there is definitely someone in your life who you feel is doesn't make you happy and promises more than they deliver. They are not trustworthy, emotionally manipulative maybe, and you've come to that point where you're realizing that this is not a happy situation to be in, and you're looking at what else is out there. Too many cards. Anyway, so you're looking at what else can be there, and you're thinking of, maybe I should have a fresh beginning in my life. Let me see what else is out there. And this correlates so beautifully with the last card we had here, the 8 of Cups, the card of walking away. So what I see for you here, Virgo, you're trying very hard, to use your intuition as to how to do this. You are going back and forth in your head, and you really want to come out of this, painful situation that you've been in here. You're trying very hard to go within and find the answers from, deep within. You realize that where you are, there's no real growth there. There is this person, the King of Pentacles maybe, who is, King of Pentacles in upright is a person who is a nurturer, a father figure maybe, a kind person who's hardworking, who's, provides for everyone. But here I see that, maybe this is you, or maybe this is somebody you're worried about, that this is not the kind of person that I want to be around, and I want to get out of this, these swords which are in my back. I just want to release them. But you're having a little worry here. Yes, see, you feel that if you leave, it could lead to a tower moment. Okay, there could be problems at home, there could be trouble at home, and I see you a little worried about creating a tower moment, maybe where you are, if you leave the situation. You do seem to be thinking about the past a lot. You seem to be a bit upset, yet you're trying very hard to resist. Resist this change. Yes, I have the Five of Swords, which has come out a couple of times here. Okay, I have the Five of Swords here, I have the Five of Swords here. So yes, there has been some power play happening in your environment, where one person wants to feel victorious all the time, and you also feel that if you leave, there may be a conflict. And what if you fail? It could lead to embarrassment or victory for your enemies or something like that. So you're trying to resist this change for as long as possible. Well, you definitely don't look happy here, Virgo. Let's have one more card for the Death in reverse. So what are you trying to resist? Yeah. So see, Judgment is a card which in upright is like being reborn. Okay, a card of having a rebirth, but that's upside down. You don't feel you have that option. Okay, you don't feel that you have that option. Look at this man. He's concentrating all on the cups that have spilled to the ground. Okay, he's not looking behind to see, yes, there are two cups full and there can be a new beginning somewhere else. He's just looking at the sadness and pain that his whole mind and heart is concentrating on what is not good instead of looking at what is possible. And because of that, you feel that maybe you can have no rebirth, or you can't have a fresh beginning, even though you want to very badly. Okay, you're dreaming of it, you really want it, but you are afraid that if you do, it could lead to a lot of chaos maybe in your environment. So you're trying to resist this change for as long as possible. So let's see the Death card in reverse for you. Yeah, you feel there could be some fights maybe, or maybe if you leave, then maybe this person who was the King of Cups in reverse, who was harsh and who's not being kind, may come chasing after you. That's possible. Yeah, you do feel that there is no way that you can turn your back on them and maybe move out, because this person probably is a little controlling. And maybe, yes, you do love them a bit too. Okay, it's not that you don't love this person, you want a fresh beginning for yourself. So this could be anybody. This could be in a job, Virgo. This could be your boss that you want to leave, or this could be in the family dynamic where you have an elder brother or a father figure or somebody like that, and who are controlling you. And you feel that there is no way that they'll let you go away, and this is really, really burdening you. This is thought of, being there or not being there, both is really burdening you. You can't see the way forward. Look at this man, his eyes, his whole body is behind these wands. He really can't see that there's a whole village in front of him and the trees and there's people there. He's just bogged down with all these swords. So let's see the other person. What is the other person up to here? The person that you're so worried about. Seven of Swords again. Okay, I have the Seven of Swords here. Again, this is a person who is very controlling. Okay, Seven of Swords is this is a cheating card. This is a person who has never done right by you, maybe, who's always kind of played games with you, made you feel weaker than you are, made sure that you can never leave this person, and they've been very clear in their communication. So why is there? Okay, let's take some clarifications before I go forward. Spirit, give us a card for this other person with the Seven of Swords in reverse and the Page of Swords and the Nine of Wands. Who is this person? Spirit, can you give us some clarification of what's going on in their head? they are looking for growth with you. Okay, they do not want you to leave because they see you probably as a person who is worth an investment. Okay, they don't want you to leave. They know that you have turned your back, from them. Don't go by the gender of this card, Virgo. Cards are, neutral in energy. Feminine, masculine energies don't mean anything. So that is, they know that somebody is strong and they have turned their back from them, but this person does see a lot of growth with you, and they seem to be spying on you and keeping a close watch on all your movements and what you're doing, what you're not doing, maybe who you're talking to, maybe tapping your phone or overhearing conversations to see if you have any plans. They feel they are totally stressed out. Okay, they don't see a path forward without you. They feel that if you leave them, it's going to be miserable for them. Okay, they are keeping a watch on you every second, maybe. Okay, if you're living with them or whatever, they are making sure that they have their eye on you, even though they know that the environment that this is not a very happy, emotionally happy situation here, but they are going to fight till the end, it seems. Okay, they are going to do every trick in the game that they have. They're going to make sure that they keep an eye on you and keep you bound. They are also trying to go within and use your intuition to see that maybe what's going on and what are the choices that you're going to make. Okay. So what is Virgo's person? Why is Virgo's person have the Seven of Pentacles? Seven of Pentacles is basically a card of a farmer who's looking at the seeds that he's sown, right? So maybe he thinks that you are good to have around. Okay, he sees this person, he or she, they see a lot of potential in you, and they feel that in the coming time maybe you may be able to provide more. Maybe you're a son or a brother or I don't know what, or an employee. Maybe you've been with this person for a long time, and they are looking at the potential of growth that can happen if you're around, and they feel that since they've put in so much investment, it's only right by them that you are around them. What is this Four of Cups in reverse, Spirit, for Virgo's person? They want to stay in control. Okay, they want to stay in control. They don't want you to take any other offer from any other place. So they are keeping a close watch on you to see who you're talking to in case you're giving out resumes or you have friends or whatever. They want to keep a very close watch on you. They want to stay in control to see if you have any other offers coming your way. Anything else, Spirit, for Virgo's person? Because they want to move ahead with you. Okay, they see growth with you, they see fresh potential, they see a future with you. So maybe they've told you that, and that is why you are trying to delay this move, because you know that this person is probably not going to be happy if you leave. Okay, and you're trying to delay this as much as possible, even though you look burdened and not very happy in the situation. So let's see, what is your mutual energy right now, Virgo, with your person? In your mutual energy, I see the Chariot in reverse, which really goes so well with what we've been saying so far. Chariot is a card of, moving forward fearlessly. But here, I see that neither you are being able to move forward and neither does this person want you to move forward. So both of you have the Chariot in reverse in your mutual energy. And I also have, let's take a card for that first. Spirit, can I have a card for the Chariot in reverse? Yeah, see, oh God. Okay, so if there are any decisions to be made, Virgo, not being allowed to make a decision. I have the Two of Swords with the Two of Swords in reverse. Okay, so if you feel that you need to make some concrete decisions or whatever, I don't think you're being able to right now. And I have the Five of Swords in reverse also. This is like, maybe one person is trying to mind manipulate the other person that, if you leave, you won't be able to survive without me, or, make a success without me. And there is no emotional support here. There's no emotional support. And yes, I do have the Death card here as well. Okay, so in this case, it doesn't really look like a death and rebirth here, but it does look like right now, both of you are holding back. Okay, both of you are holding back and not letting any transformation happen for you to move forward as you would wish to. And again, like emotional manipulation, lots going on under illusions that you can't see. Maybe people are saying things to you which they don't mean, okay, to keep you stuck. And that's not giving you the clarity, Virgo, right now to make any hard decisions. Anything else, Spirit? This entire reading, I've had so many five. Yeah, it's leaving you very confused. It's leaving, Virgo, it's leaving you very, very confused. You can't see your options in front of you. There is mind manipulation going on. There is somebody affecting your thought process, maybe with show of love or emotional manipulation or whatever, but there is definitely an agenda here. Okay, they don't want you to walk away. This is what you want to do, and you want to fiercely move ahead, and you want to go forward in for a new life and end this heartache and pain that you've been feeling. You really want this. You want this burden to end. Okay, but this is one person who's not the correct person for you right now, Virgo. You have to be very strong in this case. If you want any clarification, a private reading, I'd be happy to help you, and free of charge, Virgo. Just if you're a subscriber, just send me a mail. I'll do a little reading for you. This is not a very happy. It's not making me feel good. Yeah, see, Spirit also says you have to find the strength from within. Please find the strength to stand up to this person. Be brave, be courageous, okay? Don't let anybody manipulate you the way I think somebody is. And Virgo, if there's a little blue icon on the screen floating around, just click that, and if you aren't a subscriber, you'll become one. And see you next week. Just stay strong, Virgo. Even Spirit is telling you to do that, okay? Don't go under illusions of other people's needs and wants. People play you. That's all I have to say. Take care, Virgo. Love and light.